simpletome toilet brush with quick dry holder. Made of quality SUS 304 stainless steel and ABS plastic base. The overhanging placement toilet brush design help accelerate the draining. The semi-open base, conducive to rapid evaporation of water to keep dry, when not in use, just gently turn. You can hide the toilet brush. The surface of stainless steel is brushed, sealed with oil, spray paint treatment, anti-fingerprint and stain. Long time use will not lose luster, no fading, no rust. After hundreds of tests by simpletome, the stiff nylon bristles have a more efficient cleaning performance than the soft silicone bristles, especially for toilets with scale. The stiff outer bristles are ideal for scrubbing tough stains. The specially designed enlarged brush head can easily reaches hard-to-clean areas around the rim. Make toilet cleaning easy and simple from now on. Choose a simple life to me. Simpletome.